What is good, YouTube? It's your boy NW2 back with another banger video. And today's video, as y'all see, we're in a snowstorm right now, and we're putting this Durango to the test, you dig? This is actually my first time driving this Durango in like a little snowstorm. Well, it was kind of snowing before, but this is probably like the biggest snowstorm yet with this Durango. So yeah, we're gonna see how she drives. Y'all gonna see my point of view vision angle driving the Durango and stuff up and down the streets and stuff, these side streets. And pray for your brother, cause let's hope we don't get stuck. Let's hope we don't get stuck. Right now, I think I'm like in the middle of the road. I'm not gonna lie to you, cause I really can't see the road, as you guys can see right now. It's gonna be a quick drive, just basically a driving review of the Durango through the snow and stuff to see how it handles and all that. And right now, it's going pretty good. It's going pretty good. Yes, I'm going like 25 miles per hour. I don't know if y'all can see it and stuff. And dang, it's snow smacking the car. Let's get this turn. See how this turn goes. This street even worse. And yeah, it's handling pretty well. I got my seat warmer on, kind of comfortable. Got the heated steering wheel on. And yeah, it's going pretty good so far. Mind you, this is all-wheel drive too. But this is like the regular blacktop edition for my Durango. I don't have like the extra stuff for like the tow and go package. It would be like down here somewhere to switch to snow mode. I think I've seen on some other cars, other Durangos for like the tow and go package. I think where you just switch your car to snow mode and stuff. Well, this car doesn't have it, but it's all right. As long as it's still all-wheel drive at all times, I'm perfectly fine. At least I think. And as y'all see, it's not that many cars on the road and stuff. Probably like one car behind me over there and stuff. But right now we're going pretty decent. Through the snow. Deborah the Durango handling pretty well, I'd say. Oh snap! Damn, I was bad. Yeah, man, the drive is going pretty decent so far. I'm not gonna drive too far because I don't really know how well the Durango handles in the snow quite yet, and I'm not really trying to get stuck out here for real. I'm just doing little content, I thought I could take advantage of the weather, so I could put some little car content out there for like driving in the snow. And yeah, this big V8 pushing through the snow low key, so we're doing pretty good. Hope y'all can see pretty well too. I still got this phone on my head looking crazy. I don't know if y'all can see it right there probably. Oh yeah, we getting through this. Oh yeah. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Let me get over a little bit. I'm gonna try to turn around like when I go this way. I'm gonna turn right, then I'm gonna try to turn back around for you guys and stuff. Give me a second. Hopefully I don't hit this person. All right. Sliding a little bit. Uh-oh. Well, we good though. We good, Deborah. Let's get it. We good though. All right. We turned around finally. Now we're going back up. Now I ain't gonna hold y'all. I'm kind of nervous a little bit because I ain't got no shovel in this car, and yeah, I ain't trying to get stuck at all. So let's see if we make it through. I think we're gonna be good. We're gonna cut this drive very, very short, just going up and down this one little street. And yeah, but so far she's doing pretty good. This snow is coming in crazy. What can I say? Welcome to Cleveland, Ohio, or Ohio at that, because all over Ohio be bad weather. So we kind of used to this stuff, man. We kind of used to it. I just see still cars on the road and stuff. Some people got to make it to work and make it to where they got to be. You dig? I feel it. Still going pretty good. The roads are pretty decently plowed. As you see, I don't know if you guys can see, you can't really see much ahead of you and stuff. So we're driving by faith. All right, we good. Let's get a Deborah plow through this stuff. We good. Like a little hill coming up here. Hopefully we can make it up. You can hear, I don't know, as y'all can hear the snow everywhere and stuff. Hold on. Oh, snap. Veering off a little bit, hold on. 10 to 2. Come on, Deborah, let's get it. We good. Yeah, Sirski. Shout out to my dog Leo, real deal Leo. I got that yes Sirski stuff from him. even though it's like from a song and shit. I know he say it a lot. Shout out to my dog. Hopefully he making it through the snow, because I know it's terrible for him too. It's terrible for everybody out here in this snow. I'm tempted to run his light. I ain't gonna hold you. I ain't trying to get stuck, you dig? I'm just gonna go straight. We just gonna go straight. Oh, we'll go down that way. Should we go down that way? I just get scared. Like, I hope this car don't, whatchamacallit. I don't like sitting still in the snow, because like you see the snow just building up by the minute, by the second and stuff. So like I don't want to like get caught up in any more snow while I'm sitting still. I like to keep rolling and stuff, if that makes sense. Another trait theory, I'd say. All right, let's get it. Let's get it. Come on, Deborah, come on. It's a little thick snow over here. But we getting through it though. We getting through it. Hope this is like a good camera angle for y'all. I kind of moved it a little bit too, so I can see the road a little bit more. Oh snap! Look, he's sliding a little bit. Yeah, you know what? Oh snap! There's a big pile of snow right there. Oh snap! All in all, this Durango handles pretty well. So, giving my personal review on the Dodge Durango RT 2021, just a regular blacktop edition. This car drives pretty well in the snow. But I'm gonna give it a 9 out of 10 in my personal review, because I didn't get stuck, and I'm kind of plowing through the snow pretty easily in the snow. Even though the snow is kind of like plowed a little bit on the roads, I'm kind of getting through it myself pretty decently, because there's some other cars out here getting stuck, and thank God we're not one of them right now. But that's all I got to say for that. You know what? We're going to end this video right here, y'all. It's your boy NW2. This ride is kind of getting a little dangerous, and we're going to try to focus on the road a little bit more too. So yeah, I'm going to check out with y'all, and we're going to catch y'all in the next video, and we out of here, baby.